Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, we are here at the moment at the, I don't know what to say is at the moment. Yeah, but we are here at the Salamander Bay Shopping Square, and you maybe notice that I have these chains. Yeah, the window cover. Yeah, so basically, yeah, I bought a fabric similar to this one, and yeah, I actually paid $120 just to sew it to that sunshade. Yeah, three side actually, also the back and this. And like what I've said, it's $120. Yeah, I was actually expecting something less than 100. I initially regret when I paid, but I have this attitude of accepting what is happening. Yeah, and say, yeah, it's okay. Yeah, and 120 is okay. For the result, actually, good stitching. Look at this. Yeah. And I'm actually here at the shopping center because I have a package to pick up at the post office. And you know, it's also good to browse here at the post office here in Australia. Yeah, they have different things that you can buy. Yeah, just like this cup and shirts, decoration, gifts, even school supplies. They also have. Yeah, I got the package and it's nice. And now I'm going to have my lunch. It is already 1:47, and I'm going to have a lunch special here at the Thai Charm. It is $14 something. Hopefully lunch special is still available, because usually, yeah, there's a time limit. You know, when I first arrived here in Nelson Bay, this area is actually a cafe, not a restaurant. Very satisfied, not very full. Yeah, not very full because I did not order extra rice. Yeah, before, I mean, usually I order extra rice, especially if there's lots of flies, especially if it is delicious. Yeah, I always order extra rice. I actually just came from the swimming pool. I'm lazy to go to the gym today, so I went here. And these are actually the things that I got from the post office. These are hats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. What? 5 hats. 5 cups. Yeah, and this is how it is. So there is that one. This is how it is. I actually have a mirror here. What? Here. And there is more. Another one. This black and white. And this is my favorite. Let me show you. Yeah, look at this. But it's actually designed for cold season, designed for winter. Yeah, look at that. Because it has this kind of padding that you can actually put outside. Like that. but you can also close it like that, hidden. It's going to be like this. Model. Yeah, no. There is also this one. Looks good actually in the picture, but I'm not really happy with this. And I drive back here at the shopping center. Yeah, I'm going to the Kmart. I'm going to buy a box for those cups. Not busy here anymore. Eh, yeah, it's already 5:19. Kmart today is actually going to close at 8 o'clock. So we still have a lot of time. Most of the shop, they are still open. Actually, let's go first here at the cotton on. Let's have a look at the cups that they are selling. Oh, these are the cup they are selling. This is $19. Good quality also. But personally, not my kind of cup. Yo, we are now here at Kmart and they actually have this mini fryer. Yeah, this one. This how it is inside. Yeah, and it is just 700 watts. I don't know if I like it. Also this, they also have this mini oven toaster. Oh, this is the last one. Yeah, this is the last of this kind. Oh, I did not get the boxes. This is the one that I get instead. Yeah, this egg cooker for microwave. Oh, let's go to that Chinese takeaway. They have a $5 meal for sale. Maybe still available. We'll see. Because usually they give a discount every time they close. Oh, there's just one left. I'll take it. This one. $6. So this is it. Actually, I don't know what is inside, but yeah, I see that there is rice. That's why I take it. The regular price of this is actually, yeah, $14 or maybe $12. I did not get the box because just one left over there. But at the other branch of Kmart, they have more stocks. So I'll go to the other branch. Actually, I am now tempted to go to Warata in Newcastle to get the boxes. 1 hour drive, and then I will sleep there, somewhere, anywhere there. Because if you remember, I don't have any more apartment in Newcastle. But, yeah, because I'm actually day off tomorrow still. Oh, it's like this. It is sweet and sour pork and fried rice. I like it. Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, we are here at the shopping center. Today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish at 2 o'clock. Actually, that's my usual schedule. Yeah, this yeah, actually more than a year already that I have been working always in the breakfast. I'm actually a little tempted to, oh, they are closed. It's good. And you know, from time to time, yeah, I come to check things here. Yeah, because this is actually the place where I found my first apartment, the granny plot. Yeah, where I am going is actually here at the grocery. Oh, this one is just $5.50. Yeah, chicken tikka bites. So I'm getting one of these. And you know, here in Kohl's, they also have this kind of the section for special, weekly special. Yeah, different things. $10 Colgate Max. Yeah, expensive. Yeah, I'll just go for this one. Yeah, $3.45. 180 grams. Compared to this, I am also getting one of these. Yeah, this is $7. Regular price was $10. Another thing I'm taking is this sparkling water. I actually already checked out. Yeah, but then I realized that, oh, I need rice. And so I leave the grocery just on the end gate. And I come back here. I'm actually just going to get this. Yeah, 1 kg. Yeah, 1 kg. 1 kg is just rice. It's just enough in the rice cooker. Yeah. So I take this one. I don't know. There was actually a rain this morning when I was working. It is raining at the moment. But yeah, I already cooked the rice. Now I'm going to eat now. Yeah, I'm not going to reheat this anymore. The rice is too hot already, so